That didn't take long, huh? Alright, I got him. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Oh yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's still going. I turned around and that sucker was already out. We didn't even see that one, man. He took that sucker already. Keep him in here. This one? Oh, nice. Ooh, this one might be a better one. Hey, he just went up, I guess.
I thought my jack was tight, dude.
You got him. This might be that 6-7 pounder. Ooh, that is big.
Is that a catfish?
No. I could tell the tail already. Well, I'm ready, dude. Let's get this baby out of here. Ooh. Ooh. This way. Ooh. He saw the net. You got him. Oh, this sucker.
So back.
This is the biggest one ever, dude. How big is this guy?
He's freaking fat.
Oh my god. Oh Lord. You thought your drag was tight?
I thought it was tight.
Get the length. Alright. Shit, it's 20, 23?
Almost 2 feet. Shit.
Sucker is right there. Yeah, it's 8 pound, dude.
Shit.
This is. Jeez. 8 pounder, man.